How to deal with data gaps in population age projection. Imagine trying to put together a puzzle with missing pieces. That's what working with incomplete demographic data can feel like. But don't worry, there are solid ways to fill those gaps and keep your population projections on track. One of the most trusted methods is called the cohort component approach. It breaks down the population into groups based on age and sex. Each group is then projected forward in time by considering births, deaths, and migration. Because it looks at these groups separately, it can handle missing data in one area by relying on trends in others. When data on births is incomplete, projections can use age-specific fertility rates. These rates are applied to the female population to estimate future births. For deaths, demographic models use mortality rates that change with age and sex, helping fill in gaps where death data might be missing or uncertain. Migration is often the trickiest part because it varies a lot and data can be limited. Here, assumptions are made based on past trends, policy changes, or expert judgment. If migration data is weak, projections can be adjusted to match known totals at higher levels, like the national or state level. Another key step is controlling projections with reliable data sources. For example, census counts or official estimates can be used to adjust the model outputs. This helps reduce errors, especially in specific age groups or regions. If certain groups are undercounted, like young children or the elderly, adjustments can be made to correct these biases. Using multiple data sources is also helpful. Combining census data, surveys, vital statistics, and administrative records creates a fuller picture. Advanced models that simulate individual life events can better capture complex population changes. These models incorporate variables like age, sex, race, and education to refine the projections further. Different areas have unique population patterns. Urban centers might see lots of young adults moving in and out, while retirement communities have mostly older residents. Recognizing these differences allows for tailored assumptions and adjustments, making projections more accurate. For example, college towns often have large in and out migration flows that need special attention. It's also important to evaluate past projection errors. Analyzing where previous forecasts went wrong helps improve future assumptions. For instance, projections tend to overestimate teenagers and the oldest seniors or underestimate young children. Knowing these biases allows demographers to tweak their models. Finally, updating projections regularly is essential. New data becomes available all the time, and revising assumptions keeps forecasts aligned with recent trends. This ongoing process helps account for changes in fertility, mortality, and migration patterns. In the United States, these methods are used by state and local agencies to plan for schools, healthcare, and workforce needs. Adjusting for data gaps ensures these plans are based on the best possible information. Controlling projections with national estimates helps keep consistency across different regions. Recognizing migration, especially unauthorized immigration, is also key for accurate age forecasts. To sum up, handling data gaps in population age projection involves using the cohort component method, making informed assumptions, adjusting with reliable data, and continuously updating models. This approach helps produce the most accurate forecasts possible, even when some data is missing or uncertain.